All them other niggas lame and you know it now. When a real nigga hold you down, you supposed to drown. Bam. Bam.
Honey.
What you doing in the club on a Thursday? She said she only here for a girl birthday. They order champagne but still look thirsty. Rock forever 21 but just turned 30. I know I got a bad reputation. Walk around always mad reputation. Leave a pretty girl sad reputation. Start a fight club, Brad reputation. I turned the nightclub bad at a basement. I turned the plane around, your ass keep complaining. How you gon' be mad on vacation? Dutton whining around all these Jamaicans. This that prime shit. This that what we do, don't tell your mom shit. This that red cup all on the lawn shit. Got a fresh cut straight out the salon, bitch. I know you're tired of loving when nobody to love. Nobody.
Honey.
Close your eyes and let the word paint 1,000 pictures. One good girl is worth 1,000 bitches. Bam.
Chat, what is good? Good morning, chat. How we doing, man? Good morning. Yo. What's going on? How's everyone doing on this lovely day today? What is it? It's Monday. Start to the new week. Super excited to get here, man. Super excited to start this week. Hang on, let me just change this. Way better. Cool. So, I can actually hear myself talk now. Way better. So, chat, how's everyone doing? Good morning. Happy Monday. Yeah, man, it's going to be a great week. What's good, Dylan? What's good, Max? Victory Settings, Malinko, how you all doing? Good morning. Good morning. Let me change this over there. Let me change that over. Cool. Good Spion. What's good, everyone? What's good, Ja? How you doing? How is everyone today? How's everyone's weekend? Most importantly, anyone get up to anything on the weekend? Anything important? What's good, Zulu? How you doing, brother? Chat, this 1 hour's pushing up. Interesting. 30-minute no bottom wick. A little bit of a bottom wick. Crazy. What's good? Bullish bias for the week? Nah, bearish, bro. Bearish. Definitely bearish. Yeah, man. Good morning, chat. So, summer is finally here, bro. So all good. I know, bro. It's meant to be really hot here today, right? It's meant to be super hot. I can't lie. I don't know exactly what, but someone told me it was going to be hot, so that's all I'm concerned about. But yeah, chat, so let me do this breakdown real quick, and then we'll get into it. What's good, Ahmad? What's good, bro? So yeah, chat, obviously, last week we had a bearish closure on the weekly candle, right? And we closed actually below the range. So if you zoom out a little bit, what will you see? You'll see, essentially, we have a range now here between 23.90 and I'd say as a minimum 23.01, right? You close back into this range after breaking out of it. So once you've done that, what do you need next? Well, you need a top wick, obviously. Now that you've got a top wick, which we have made like last night during Asian, now what can you expect to see? Well, you can expect to see a flip to the downside and then hopefully a continuation to fill this range, right? Question is, have we come down far enough to make that bottom wick? Is this enough to be, our top wick, or do we need to come up further and grab a little bit more liquidity? I'm not sure, but once you see this weekly candle flip, you should expect to see the wick fill after that. So as a minimum, the wick fill here, and if not, obviously then you're expecting to fill this range. But that being said, the previous daily did close bullish. However, you closed respecting some overall levels here at around 23.90 as well. 23.90 today is really going to be our key level. You're going to see that in this entire breakdown. It's a weekly level. It's also a daily level, as you can see here. And then obviously when you drop even lower, it's also a level on this 4 hour as well. But on the 4 hour, what can we see? Well, you have 1 hour and 26 minutes left. The previous 4 hour actually closed above a level here. You closed above this level here at 23.99. Oh no, not that one. You closed respecting that one. You closed above this level here at 23.98. Now, this next candle's come down and, you know, grabbed the bottom wick, and, you know, you've started to continue down here, but you've got an hour and 20 minutes left, and we're coming towards a flip. Now, obviously, what we would like to see is a rejection here, which is something that you might start to see here right now on this 30-minute. But you want to start to see some bearish closures. So, where would you see those levels being? I would say, to be honest, I need a closure below 23.90 for a sell. In order to grab these sells, we've tapped into this 23.90 level. Now I need to see a closure below that level, and once we get that closure, you should be good to continue down with those sells. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, once you close below 23.90, you've got room, I would say, till at least 23.83. That's gonna give you like a 70 pip range. But yeah, that's the next like major level, in my opinion, that you've got to sort of contend with. Yeah, that's key. I'd actually put it down here probably. 23.82.3 now. Yeah, perfect. So that's the next level that you've got. And in terms of buys, chat, it's going to be difficult for me to take buys, just purely because of this daily and weekly no bottom wick. Now, if you're going to look at taking buys, for me, probably, let me see, 2400. Is it going to be 2400? I mean, technically, I know you have a level here, but I don't really want that too badly. Yeah, it's a clean level. Let's do that as range 1, and then 2400 is going to actually be our range 2. But yeah, 2400 pretty much flat is going to be that range 2 for us. And the reason for that being, obviously, like we discussed, we don't really want to grab buys here because we expect the weekly and the daily time frame to flip and push down. So you don't want to get caught in that, essentially, in that move being made. This could just be a top wick for all we know, for the daily candle. And yeah, that's essentially it. But chat, hopefully that breakdown made sense. If it did, make sure to drop a like down below, subscribe if you're new, and all that good stuff. And yeah, man, let's get into it. But I'm happy to be back with you guys. Very excited for the week. I think it's going to be a great week. We were locked in last week, and we're going to be just as locked in, if not more, this week. I know that for sure. W analysis, brother. Thank you, brother. What's good, Eugene? What's good? What's good? What's good, Max? Victory settings. How's everyone doing? Whoa. I'm in my chair and it ended up moving my whole desk. Okay, we're cool. We're good now. You are pushing up here, though. Obviously, did not like that area at 23.90. Like we said, right? It's a very strong area. What's good, Gene? How you doing, brother? Good FNAM. Rosie, how you doing? Rajan, good morning. Everyone's here. Chat, drop a like if you're enjoying this morning, if you're excited for the week. Fuming, hungry. That comes in every morning. Talking about hungry. Now you make me hungry. It's a chain effect. Yeah, chat. Have you tried to flip concert tickets? Nah. What's good, Remy? How you doing, brother? What's good, Handai? Yeah, man, chat. We've got the monthly closure in 2 days, basically. At the end of Wednesday, the monthly will close, right? So now you're going to be moving into August. Again, it doesn't really mean too much. It's a little bit arbitrary, right? It's not something that, you know, should change your trading or anything like that. Just sometimes it can be a good milestone. But yeah. I need a coffee. One sec. Let me just order one. Perfect. Cool. Hungry, and this week gonna be an all-you-can-eat buffet. Yeah, trust me. Trust me, it will. This week's gonna be crazy, chat. So you've got... Hang on, let me turn this light down as well. you've got some ridiculous news events this week. You have Wednesday is going to be ridiculous, just genuinely crazy. Today, no news, right? Today, no news. Tomorrow, you got consumer confidence and JOLTS job openings. And then after that, look at this on a Wednesday, chat. On a Wednesday, for USD news, you got basically non-farm employment change here at 115. 130, you've got employment cost index. 245, you've got PMI, Chicago PMI, so it's an orange folder. 3 o'clock, home sales. 7 o'clock, FOMC. 7:30, FOMC press conference. Yeah, insane. Absolutely insane. That's going to be a very, very interesting week, to say the least. Or day, sorry, to say the least. Make sure that if you're trading that, like, sort of afternoon session for New York there, be careful on it. Don't be in for any of those news events unless you I don't know, unless you can afford to lose it. Just got one pre-sale Travis Scott ticket in Sydney, Australia. Just bought it for 350 AUD. The concert's on the 17th of October. Hopefully you can flip it and get some profit for trading. Bro, yeah. Travis Scott show in Australia. Yeah, I don't see why not, bro. Especially if it sells out. Well, no, it will sell out. But especially, you know, if there's a lot of hype around it, I don't see why not. I know that people were doing it for Taylor Swift. People were doing it for Taylor Swift and making like 10x, which was crazy. Absolutely crazy. What's good, Saddam? Welcome. Is it normal for a crypto wallet to ask you for a passport photo? Yeah. Depending on the wallet, yeah, of course. Any trades taken? Nah, not yet. This morning I got into a link, then I was at 700 Q weight. Oh, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I suggest everyone takes NYC off, or it's either going to make you rich or blow an account. It's going to be bananas. On Wednesday, yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I mean, you can navigate around it, right? There are some gaps. Like, you could trade between 3 and 7, but... yeah, it is going to be crazy. Especially because, like, in the build-up towards FOMC, like, you might see even chat today and tomorrow. You might see us just range a little bit, waiting for that FOMC move, because... yeah, FOMC is essentially the biggest news event we have, right? So yeah, it's important that you understand that and don't get in anything stupid just before FOMC, I guess. I know it's tempting though, because I know you'll see people on Instagram that apparently that claim they make a shitload of money on FOMC, but in reality they most likely don't. And yeah, just be careful on that one. Yeah, there's 30 minutes flipping here. One sec. Cool. Are you going to stay on for longer on Wednesday then? Yeah, I will do probably. I will do. I might also stream FOMC, why not? Do like an evening stream. Because... oh. Well, that chat. Yeah, that should be interesting. I can't lie. That should be interesting. But yeah, especially like we can trade for a little bit longer in London just because we might not be trading for New York. So I don't mind that at all. Pre-New York should be good as well. Chat, there's 30 minutes flipping here, which is great for us. If we can start to see a nice bearish closure in 15 minutes below 23.90, you're only 20 pips off. That's not too big of an ask. If we start to get a closure there, that's ideal for this drive down. Stops aren't even going to be that bad, to be honest. But let's see, chat. It's all about patience here, right? The position is forming. You know, gold is setting up right now. It's in the process of, in the process of setting up. So you don't want to be looking to take anything right now. You want to wait for it to actually form a setup, and then you can jump in that trade. Interesting. You really want this 30 to close. Sorry, it's 15 to close bearish in about 6 seconds. I don't know if it will or not, but I mean, technically it closed doji, so close enough. Close enough. Yeah, you would have wanted it to close bearish, and then you could see a continuation downwards, but yeah. Thank you. But yeah, chat, so you got 15 minutes left until that close. Yeah, hopefully we can grab something. That's the 1 hour close. Then obviously after that, the next major closure that we have is going to be that 4 hour close. So once you do get that 4 hour close, it's going to give you a good indication of the rest of this session's direction, right? If you can close on the 4 hour, I mean 2390 is a good level too on the 4 hour, but even above there at 2391, if you can close below there, or even 2392, you can be good to continue down there. If you close bullish on the 1 hour, would it be an onion? Or, I mean, it would be an onion setup, right? But you don't want to take that. You don't particularly want to take that. Well, I say you don't want to take that. I don't want to take that personally, but you might. That might be part of your plan. But yeah, look, you got a lower high being made here already. I know that there's technically a higher high as well because of the way that the daily's been trending, but I do think that once you start to get this flip, you know, you're gonna see a push down, or you should at least expect to see a push down, especially if you start to form some closures down here. Because at the minute, right, if you look at the market structure that we've got printed, you'll just essentially see, I need to make this a favorite, there you go. You'll just essentially see that, you know, even though we continued up from this daily, made a high, now we've made a lower high, now we're continuing downwards, right? And there's a lower low as well just here being made. So obviously if that continues, you're just gonna push like this. But I've sell stops on the daily flip. Okay, bro, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, you got to use bigger stops for that though, to be honest, bro. Or you could use the current daily stops, I guess, but yeah, just be careful with that one. What's good, Zelly? Sir Respect, what's good as well? Full port funded account on Wednesday. Very, yeah, of course. Run it. Let's run it. Zelly, I know I've asked before, but I don't remember. Is September a slow month? What month is the slowest on the Forex market? I can't really tell you what the slowest month is. I mean, it depends every single time you come to a month, it changes, right? Obviously, you could get to September, which might be a slow month, and then some crazy news event in the world would happen, and you'd have like the most volatile month ever. So it just depends on how the, you know, what the world is doing. Oh. Like the yawn counter's going crazy. It depends on what the world's doing. Depends on essentially how the market's deciding to move that month, and yeah, you can't really predict, you know, slow or fast months, in my opinion. A lot of people said that a lot of people last year were saying that December would be slow month, and December we hit like 500 pips profit or something. It was a crazy month. December was like my best month ever. So yeah, I mean, it just depends. I don't really think there's, yeah, a way you can predict that. Good, Geordie, how you doing, brother? What's good? What's good? Lone Trader, what's good? Hi, Trent, what's up? How you doing? I'm very good, brother. How are you? Very good. Yeah, so chat, 10 minutes here. There's 15's just flipped as well, which is nice. You made a bottom wick first, obviously, but then you're now reflipping. You can re-break this 15 low, that'd be great. Look to see if you can close below 2390.26. And yeah, if you can do that, then good. Hopefully we can grab some positions. But again, just a waiting game for us right now. Truly is. But yeah, you might start to see an onion play being formed here. You might start to see this push upwards. I do believe you actually came down bottom way first, so that actually would have been a valid onion play. But again, against the bias, and yeah, range 1 for us, so nothing I could take. I'm just 30 pips away from passing the 50k challenge. Hey, let's go, bro. Let's go. Make sure you wait for the right setup. Obviously, stay patient and don't hold a trade for. Don't try and hold a trade for 30 pips just because you need 30 pips. You know. Gib, what's good? Slowly recovering from my drawdown. Yeah, bro, I hear that. But slow and steady, you know, slow and steady wins the race, as they say. That's the way that you do it. You got this for sure, bro. For sure. I started trading in December, opened an account with £50, it was gone within 3 minutes. Yeah, that's... Sounds about right, Rosie. Sounds about right. It happens, man, it happens. For sure it happens. 36% more. Alright, man. You'll get there. Cool. Morning, Seska. What's good? Tatar, what's good? How are you all doing? At least it wasn't like 2k or something, Rosie. A lot of people open up accounts with like 1,000, 2,000 or whatever, and then it's already gone in like a day. So yeah, don't stress about that. I'm excited for this week though, chat. I can't lie, I'm excited. I want to see a nice little closure here, and then you should be good to go. What's good, Jay? What's good, bro? Cool. Cool. It's bright as hell out here, man. Since I got your journal, 18 trades, plan followed, 88% win rate, 3 trades not followed. 3 trades not followed, plan, 2 losses, 1 win. Sick journal. I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, stick to that plan, brother. It's telling you exactly what your stats are if you don't stick to that plan. So you may as well stick to it. You know what I mean? It makes a lot of sense just to stay accountable. What's good, Saxy? How you doing, brother? What do you think about moving to Dubai? Yeah, I'm not too interested in Dubai, to be honest. Just doesn't really suit me and my personality. I think I like a lot of places, I like places with a bit more history, in my opinion. Day 1 risk management is also always a bit wild. Yeah, bro. Remy, 100%. But everyone thinks they're a god on day 1, eh? It's funny. And it's nothing against anyone as well. Like, everyone's the same, including me. You know? Everyone on day 1 thinks they can just... They're different. They can full port. And it's not a problem. Kind of is, though. Kind of is. Yeah, it's a little bit tough, but... We learn, right? We learn eventually. As long as you learn in the long run, that's all that really matters. Good morning, G. I wish you luck last night, but I wish it again to all the people who are here learning and trading with you. May you all have an awesome trading week, day, and session. I appreciate that, brother. Appreciate it. We open sales today. What's good, Fluidity? Yeah, so we'll look to open some sales later on. Obviously, we need something to form. First, we need to wait for this hourly closure. I want to see the hourly close below 23.90. At the minute, on the daily, weekly, and every other time frame, 23.90 is like a very strong level. So you want to see us close below there first. to confirm that we're not going to just reject off it like we have done in the previous X amount of times. But yeah, you're pushing down here, which is great. You got 5 minutes to this closure, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here, chat. But it's time to start locking it in a little bit. 5's got no top wick, so you could at any point reject here. Actually, you got 15 seconds left on it, so maybe not. Maybe not. But this would be a nice little closure, in my opinion. You can grab a little close below 23.90. Sorry, I'm on the 4. Why am I on the 4? Let's be on the 1 hour. Break even point is probably going to be... Actually, there's going to be somewhere higher up that we could take. Let's see. There you go. Break even point is going to be around here at 23.87.3. I do believe you should tap into that first before doing anything else. If you do close below here on the 1 hour, you got 4 minutes to this closure, man. So I want to see what happens. But oh, yeah, that might have fucked us there. Apologies for my language, but that might have yeah, put a spanner in the works, because the 5 minutes closed no bottom wick. Most of the time when the 5 closes no bottom wick, you see a push up. Yeah, so we might not close below. We'll see though. Maybe it doesn't respect the no bottom wick. Maybe it doesn't. But recently gold has been doing it a lot. A lot. That's the sample size play. Now, the sample size play printed out earlier, and the entry would have been this, bro. It would have been... the entry would have been here, with stops above here. And TP would have been... To be honest, TP either could have been here, or you'd still be in right now, and you could extend it. But yeah. That's the sample size play. This one though, yeah, fucking, that's crazy. Chat, 3 minutes here, lock it in a little bit. Let me just, you know what we're about to do here when the full screen cam comes on. About to hear the lovely noise. There you go. We all love to hear that noise, eh? I love that lovely sound, that music to our ears as traders. When you open up that brokerage, open up that MT5. Time for action, you know? But chat, let's see, you got 2 minutes here. If you close like this... Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, man. But obviously, we're going to stay on for a longer time, right? So we've got the 4 hour and potentially the closure after that as well. So nothing to worry about here. If we don't get the closure right now, remember, chat, it's Monday and it's 8:50 on a Monday morning, right? Nearly 9 a.m. So essentially, you're at the very, very start of the week. We're in like the first 5% of the week or whatever. You don't want to force a trade right now when it's not printing properly. We've got a lot of time this week. Got a lot of time and a lot of patience. So yeah, nothing we need to force right now. Nothing we need to be concerned about. If it doesn't form in this closure, which it looks like it isn't going to, then so be it. So be it, right? What's good, Joshua, bro? How you doing? I'm very well, my friend. How are you? Very, very well. One minute and 27 seconds here, chat. Let's see if we can actually grab a closure below or not. It looks like we might not, to be honest, chat. Yeah, you're re-breaking these highs. Could be tough. Could be tough. But chat, again, there's so much potential for today. I'm not worried at all. I think we can sit back, be patient. You guys have got an opportunity to, you know, ask me some questions, or yeah, if there's anything you want to know, I'm essentially here for it. If we don't get this closure, we've got some time to wait. So yeah, that's your time to use that to your advantage. Daily no bottom wick. Yeah, exactly, Saddam. That's what we're looking to target here. The daily no bottom wick is from this area right here. So you're pushing down to 23.87. So actually, we'll make that our break-even point for the sales. Right here. And that's going to be based off of, yeah, the daily flip and the little area that we had previously. But again, chat, you rejected quite heavily here off this range. I believe the reason for that is the no bottom wick that we had on that 5-minute candle, which is a little bit tough, but again, nothing you can do. Absolutely nothing you can do. The thing that you don't want to see here, chat, and this is what we have seen in the past, is it will do something like this and reject, and then within the next like 5-10 minutes we'll just fill the range, because gold doesn't actually care about when the hourly closes or whatever. It's you know, depending on orders. It doesn't know about, oh, let's wait for the hourly, let's wait for this. It just moves how it moves. And if you get to the point where, you know, you understand how these orders are being placed and how essentially the market pushes itself specifically for gold, it's not going to care about the hourly closure or the 30-minute closure for like we do as traders, you know. So for all we know, this could just continue to push without any, yeah, without any sort of care in the world. Would you rather be sticky forever or itchy forever? Bro, definitely not itchy. Itchy forever would be horrible. That's the worst feeling in the world. Not in the world, but definitely not a nice feeling. Like being itchy is actually like top 5 worst experiences. Anyway, can you please explain all this no bottom wick? Yeah, so essentially how it works is when you close a candle with no bottom wick, it's essentially a confirmation that you've got nowhere else to drive. So it's on the wait, hang on, let me get my zoom up so I can explain this better. Let me get my zoom up so I can explain this. You gonna load? There you go. So, hang on, here we are. So, can you explain all this no bottom wicks? Yeah, so when you have a candle with no bottom wick, it's essentially a confirmation that you've got no more range to drive. So let's say you have a candle here closing like this on the 1 hour, and it closes no bottom wick like that. If you break that down into smaller time frames, so if you break that down into 4 15-minute candles, okay, what's it going to look like? You're going to have essentially just a range, right? You're going to have candles pushing up, candles pushing down, etc. So you might start off like this, you have a candle pushing like that, then the next candle might come straight down, you know, and then you start to form a range like this, and you have a continuation, and then the final candle closes like that. If you have this, okay, and if you're looking at this side on the 15-minute, how would you plot your support and resistance? Well, you'd obviously have your support here, and you'd have your resistance up here, okay? So now, if you're looking at taking sells, you're obviously at the support. So why would you take sells when you're already at the support when you expect it to reject off of it? You wouldn't, right? But then if you have this candle closing here, and you have it with a bottom wick, so you have something like this coming all the way down, okay? And it's got a bottom wick. Now your range looks a little something like this, right? Because now this red candle here on the 15-minute has range to drive down, and your support would actually be, you know, down here, and you've got range to move. So because of that, essentially when you close no bottom wick, you have no more range to drive, so you're not looking to take a position, you expect it to reject. And when you have a bottom wick on these candles, you understand that there is some more of a range to fill, so you're okay to take sells to fill that range. But yeah, it might reject to that point, but essentially that's why we don't take any positions when the candle closes without a bottom wick. Simple. Flipperoonie. But yeah, does that make sense, bro? Hopefully it does. Bro, he's making me clip that. Nah, you're good. I actually clicked record on that one, so I've got the clip myself. But I appreciate it, brother. Cool. Good stuff, chat. So, if you are new here, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you are new. I appreciate you all very much. We've got so much value coming this week. I got another video coming out today. The grease vlog is actually coming out today, okay? I know I said it last week, but it's actually coming out today because, yeah, we had some revisions to make. They've been made, and, yeah. So you're going to see that today, and then the next grease vlog will come out sort of towards the end of the week. And then after that, I'm going to be pumping out all of the free course videos, all of the trading videos, all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, super excited for that. And yeah, make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. King of Trade Lines, how are you doing today, bro? What's good, bro? Kidadube, is that how you pronounce your name? Sorry if I butchered it, but there you are. Or I can just call you Kidda. What's good? What's good? Bedge, how you doing, brother? Saddam, giveaway. Yes, so chat, we're going to do a giveaway today as well. If you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you go over to my Arctic funding review video on my channel and leave a comment down below and like the video. You have to be subscribed and you have to leave a comment and you have to like the video. But the comment has to be, you'll see if you watch the video, right? It has to be something based about, oh, this is not what I meant to show you there. Oh. Just go over to that. Someone will send the link in, I'm sure. And drop a comment, and then we'll draw the winners in a little bit. But chat, you're gonna see a push down here, like we said, right? Yeah. What's good, Maleko? Good morning, brother. Long time no see. How you been? Good, Dion. Can you check chat for stream? Someone said. Yeah, I will do, bro. I will do. Give me a sec. Do you know any prop firm that you can deposit and withdraw with crypto? Do you mean that you can like buy with crypto and deposit and withdraw with crypto? You're talking about a prop firm. I believe ACG you can. I'm not sure about withdraw with crypto, but I know you can. I'm pretty sure you can buy with it. If you're talking about a broker, I know for a fact you can with Ava and IC, but I don't have any links for them, to be honest. So I would just go to Ava Trade. I'm not affiliated at the minute. Charts for stream, bro. Let me look. Let me drag this over here. Can I do that? No. All right. Okay, 15-minute celery. Wait, previous daily close bullish, current daily moving bullish without bottom wick. Previous 4-hour close bearish, overall mixed buys for the session. Sells at London Open. Wait, so are these sells or buys? I'm confused. Because you got a buy, you've got a thing for buys right here. You got like your marker for buys, but I think they're sells. Yeah. And you have to watch the full vid because Sam added something that shows when you didn't. Yeah, exactly. Okay, it was a sell. Alright, you got to use the different thing then. But what I would say is, firstly, the 15-minute time frame is not that good of a confirmation. What time was it again? That was a London Open. Anticipated price to move down. Okay, wait. So you had sells here. Yeah, okay. What I would say is you're at this strong level here, like we said, right? You got 2390 is a strong level. Tapped into that level and then pushed off. You need a closure below there first before you can take anything. I think you just ended up, yeah, just hitting that level, unfortunately. But yeah, that's just a big support. So that's what I'd be concerned about. If you did want to take sales here and you expect it to come down, what I would say is, if you understand that there's a support there and you think it's going to break through anyway, probably need to have your stops way above the range, just because obviously at any point it can grab a bit more liquidity and come down like it just has done. Other than that, bro, I'd probably wait and see a 30-minute or a 1-hour closure below this level before getting in any sales, like we're waiting for right now. But yeah, that's about it, bro. But at least you manage risk well. Your stops were small, and yeah, that's what I'd say. Thanks a lot, bro. Yeah, anytime, brother. Which prop firm is the best that I can use for currencies, bro? Yeah, so you can use either Funded Trading Plus, which is this one, or you can use ACG. If you use code SG on either of those, you're going to get 20% off. It's a pretty good deal, to be honest. You're going to get 20% off of any account over there. And yeah, save yourself a little bit of money, which is great, right? What you want, man. Bye, thank you. Yeah, good stuff, AJ. Good stuff. But chat, let's see here. So you've got 4 minutes here to a 15-minute close. The 15 can close below 23.89. We might look at entering some positions there. Otherwise, we're going to look at the 30-minute closure below the 30-minute level. The same. Let me just check. Yeah, the 30-minute level should be the same, except you're going to have a higher BE point just because of this 30-minute fake out. But yeah, I think yeah, that should be good, actually. That should be good. Let me put my break-even level there real quick. Good stuff. Yeah, chat. So, wait for these closures here. If it doesn't happen and it has to be the 4-hour close, then fine. But again, in this area here, look at all these wicks that you've got. The price doesn't know where it wants to go yet. It's not decided. It's wicking in and out of each area. Obviously, structure is printing in a more bearish direction, and these wicks from the upside are definitely a lot bigger than the ones to the downside, which means you're grabbing more liquidity from that upside, which is obviously going to result in a push down if it decides to play out that way. But yeah, I would say, again, we just need these closures right now. That's the most important thing that we can look for just here. So yeah, that's going to be it. Chat, also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been posting a lot more educational stuff on my Instagram, rather than like the edits and the lifestyle and the motivation and the holidays and all that sort of stuff, right? I've been posting a lot of educational stuff on my Instagram, so make sure you don't go miss that. Make sure you don't miss out on that. But yeah, I mean, obviously, I'm going to continue with the edits and stuff because I love making them. But yeah, these like more educational style videos I think are actually a lot better and a lot more resourceful for you guys. How about UK Equity Edge prop firm? Have you heard about it? Yeah, I've heard only bad things about it, to be honest. I've only heard bad things about it. I wouldn't go with them, bro. I don't trust them at all. Same way that I said I don't trust Funded Peaks, and now look what happened to them, right? From the very start, I said that I don't trust Funded Peaks. And yeah, look what's been happening with them recently. So, you know, just hear me out on that one. Maybe you should start, you know, I don't know, maybe I should start calling these plays a bit louder. Bro, your content has been fire lately. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it. That means a lot, man. I'm glad that yeah, the content's been good. Just trying to step it up on every single platform, right? Every single platform gonna make, you know, 10 times better, and yeah. Personally, I think it's very difficult to trust any prop firm. Nah, 100%, Remy, 100%. I think listen, you have to try and find one that you trust the most. But yeah, you can't sort of, you know. The thing with fundeds is they're good, they're a good tool and everything, but you have to have that money, and the mindset of that money could just be 100% gone, right? You know, it's almost like you know, when you go to a casino, and I hate using this analogy because actually prop firms are, whoa, chat, big rejection. Okay. I was about to say we might have a 15 close below here, and in the last second it's decided to do that. Wow. Okay. Fair enough, chat. Fair enough. Anyway, going back to what I was saying, okay? With prop firms, make sure you understand that that money could just all be gone. Because yes, at any point, most props could just go down. Now, that being said, right, I genuinely think the most trustworthy firms in the market at the minute are FTMO, ACG, and Funded Trading Plus. Reason being, all three of those have been around since 2021, or since around that period. And yeah, you don't want to, you know. What I would say is you need to see the team, you need to look at all of that stuff. You look at every review that I've done of any prop firm, okay? Each time I'm looking at the team, I'm talking to the actual team themselves, you know, like I actually contact them first. You actually just have to do your own research, right? And a lot of these firms as well. Another thing is, if they start doing mad discounts, that's when you start to go, oh, okay, maybe not, you know? Like FTMO, ACG, and Funded Trading Plus, I don't think I've ever seen a big discount on Funded Trading Plus. ACG, they do like 20%, yeah, fair. FTMO, rarely. So, and that's because they don't need money, right? They don't need these cash grabs. Whereas you see a lot of these firms, I don't know if you guys remember before TFT went down, they started banging out 50% sales, 40% sales, like all this stuff. And it was just a clear cash grab. And people fell for it as well, which is so sad. Yeah, super sad, but at the end of the day, that's what it is. What it is. Trendlines, do you pay attention to imbalances or use anywhere in your price concept? No, I don't, bro. I actually don't at all. But I think Eugene uses imbalances. I'm not sure. Do you, bro? There's a lot of people in our community now that are starting to like make a hybrid strat. You know. What's good, Silent? Any prop that offers KFY confirmation are legit. KFY. Do you mean KYC? I don't know. Anyway, okay, are our price action concepts relatively new? Because all the price action I see on YouTube is patterns, except for those who stream. I don't think, yeah, I think it's relatively new. I mean, I think most of it started from Raja, and then obviously there's a few other streamers that got into it, but I think, yeah, a lot of it is I don't know if it's new or not, I can't answer that, but a lot of it is massively against the grain. Like, a lot of it's what people would say doesn't work, and it obviously does, right? But honestly, you should see the amount of traders and traders, okay? Like, you should see the amount of comments I get saying like, yeah, but your trades are 0.5 RR, you know, it doesn't work, it can't work. And I'm like, okay. You know, like, well, it does. And then they go, no, but it can't. I'm like, yeah, but it does. And then like, they can't figure that out in their head. Because it's different to the norm, you know, like, everyone's going down one route of like, you know, big RR, big, you know, let's try and hit these like 5-to-1, 3-to-1s, all that stuff. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, and there probably isn't anything wrong with that. But, you know, there's always another way, and it might be the fact that, you know, 99% of traders fail because they're not willing to try out the stuff that 1% of traders do, you know? There's always a different aspect to this, and yeah, I think, I don't know, man, I think every strategy can work. And the other thing is, you'll never see a trader who's actually profitable saying that other strategies don't work. Like, if you're actually profitable, you understand that any strategy can work, you know? And that's just how, yeah, it's just how the game works in general. What about the new launch CK Capital UK? I also won yesterday a 50k giveaway, but I cried because they could not give me reason prohibited in my country, Pakistan. Bro, CK Capital, that's Dan Chung's new prop firm. I don't know, bro. I don't trust influencer props, and I don't trust newer prop firms. But I do think that Dan Chung's a stand-up guy. Like, I think he's a great guy, and I hope that he pulls it out of the bag. You know, this guy also created a prop too, Burned. He's like, bro, this guy's a crazy trader. But something I wanted to say about this guy, he's got like there's things called private prop firms, right? And it's essentially just people investing their capital in traders. He had a 1 mil account on a private prop firm, and yeah, he had like 100% strike rate. But you'll see, someone worked out in the comments, bro, the guy used 0.5 RR for most of his trades. There's actually negative RR for most of these trades. And yeah, he actually never took a loss, right? The biggest loss was $83 on a 1 mil account, which is insane. But point stands, you don't have to use like crazy risk to reward in order to win, you know. But yeah, what's good, Matt? How you doing, brother? Chat, you guys are killing it with the support recently. I'm hoping this shadow ban disappears sometime soon. I believe it will, because we are, yeah, we're growing still, obviously, which is great, and we're staying consistent. So yeah, that's great. But obviously, it's not the most motivating thing seeing a shadow ban on your channel. But yeah, anyway, chat, you got 8 minutes here to this closure, 8 minutes till a 30-minute close. So can we grab some positions here based off of that? I believe we can. I believe there's a lot of potential here. You might actually end up driving. Oh, you got no top wick on the 5. Price just does not want to go at the minute, chat. Which is good though, to be fair. We need a closure first. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Maybe I spoke too soon. But yeah, you want to see a closure here first, chat, to be honest. Remember what we said, chat? There you go. Remember what we said about it not caring about closures and it just driving without it? Yeah, it's very possible that we do that. If you do what everyone's doing, you'll get the same results. Only a few traders step their game up to master this ruthless markets that change every year. Yeah, good shit, bro. 100%. You can't, bro. And yeah, it's so true. You see so many traders that are just clearly like copying. They've just found someone who teaches strategy, or even like free course, or even a course, right? And they'll just copy the strategy. Whereas, what do we teach you guys? We teach you guys to, you know, adapt your own strategy, find your own, you know, entries, find your own, you know, systems, and yeah, adapt that way. And that's what you got to do, because again, like you say, right, if everyone's trading a certain way, the market's not going to respect that, and that's how you end up getting, you know, liquidity calls and people getting stopped out of the same area, because everyone starts to want to trade the same strategy. What will be the TP after 2382 closure? Below, what about the 4-hour bullish candle there? Many times the market taps or retests this type of candle and then pushes up higher. Where? 4-hour bullish candle. But yeah, that's down here. That would probably be the TP, right? Oh, you mean here? Either way, that's still a 120 pip range. But we're nowhere near there yet, right? You got basically 80 pips till you get there, 60 pips. So we're gonna try and look for this closure first. If we close somewhere like this in the next 6 minutes, we'll probably be good to take that position. We need to understand obviously where we're looking to, you know, drive to. But yeah, at the minute this 30 close looks nice. If you don't drive before this, then that's great. And obviously if not, then we'll wait for the 4-hour, which is going to be in, you know, 35 minutes. But Yeah, again, we need to see these closures, right? We need to see them form properly, and we need to see everything work out correctly. Are we going to be seeing more stacks? Yeah, if they present themselves, 100% will stack some more positions, right? But again, you have to have a very high confidence in the setup to stack. I'm not just going to stack just because, you know, I need to get some more profit or anything like that. But yeah, if you end up getting, you know, a high probability setup, you can definitely stack there if you get a new entry as well. The way that I'll be stacking personally, or the way that I do stack, and I will be on stream with you guys, is let's say that we get an entry where, you know, let's say we get an entry and you get, I don't know, a wick entry, and every single time frame is lining up for this to be in a drive down. So daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, etc. Driving is looking for us to drive down. Let's say you now get a wick entry. What you can also do then is you can also get a, you know, a sell stop on the flip of that candle too, and that's a stack in profit, right? That's not like a average down or a pineapple position, right? That's a stack in profit. And the reason for that being is that both of them are valid entries, and you can take both and manage them accordingly. Maybe you could close the flip position at, I don't know, 20 pips, secure that profit, and then the rest of the wick entry you could try and let run, or, you know, whatever it may be. So again, it's just a different way to try and squeeze some more out of the market. But like I said, everything has to align perfectly before we can do that. Close below 2083 if we really want to sell off. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, listen, I think we're coming close to this daily. Did the daily flip? No, it didn't. Not quite. We're coming close to this daily flip now. Again, you're likely to test into that daily flip at some point, even if it isn't the actual flip and drive yet. A lot of the times you'll end up, you know, you'll end up flipping that daily candle for a second and then re-flipping, and you know, you start to push back up because you need more liquidity. But either way, you test that flip, so that could be an advantage point here. And if you do decide to flip and drive, yeah, you got a lot of room to come down. So I think that, you know, those are the way here. We just need to wait patiently and see if we can grab that position. And until then, yeah, we'll wait and see. Jump it, man. 3 minutes here though, chat. Drop a like if you haven't already. And yeah, let's see if we can try and grab something here. Remember to stay patient, stay locked in. And yeah, we've got 3 minutes, so time. I'll give you a small clue for TP. Right, it's not Blue's Clues. This guy's giving me the clues. Now listen, TP for this position is going to be the bottom of the range here at 82, 83-ish. And yeah, we'll obviously manage as it goes, but till then. My stack strat used to be 1, find position, 2, stack 10 positions, 3, go into minor drawdown, 4, account blown because I over leveraged. 10 out of 10 strat if you're looking for a rush. Yeah, I hear that. Good morning, chat. What's good, unknown? What's your thoughts on sales for gold? I like them. I like sales for gold. Nah, listen, I'm playing, but I do think that we've got a lot of potential here for these sales. I think that you can sort of... We're going to see what this 30 closure does. If this 30-minute closure... Now I need to see a closure below this area here, though. As a minimum. I need to see a closure below 88. Because that's the... On the 30, that's the point that we've tapped into in the past. I do think that you can push down... Oh, there. Yeah. I think you're going to see one of these big pushes without any retracement right now. I'm not going to lie. Again, chat, I'm not going to FOMO into anything. There's no... You know... Daily just flipped to... I think you could see quite a strong push here. But again, we haven't got an entry yet, so I'm not exactly going to take a trade when there's no entry being formed, you know. You've got 1 minute here. See if you can actually grab some closures. But until then, chat, there's nothing, right? You need the setup to form. You can't just take it because you think it's going to push down. You know, that's not how this works. 44 seconds here though, chat. Lock it in a little bit. Let's see if we can't grab a position here. Again, I need to see some form of a top wick. Maybe tapping into this area here at 23.89. And then after that, we'll see if we can get that push to the downside, you know. Stops are going to be relatively large here, chat. I can't lie. They're going to be potentially, hang on, let me see here. 65 pips, roughly 70 pips potentially. It's okay. It's not too bad. But again, we need to see a top wick here on this open. Again, I need to see more of a top wick. Okay, never mind. Let's see here. Can you push up a little bit further? I want to see us tap into around this 89 area. You can tap around there. It's only 8 pips away, 9 pips away. You might see a push here, chat. You see a push here, it is what it is, right? There's not much we can do, but yeah. Can't take that without that top wick being made. Yeah, you broke the lows there, chat. That's tough. Chat, obviously, what we'll do now is we'll wait for this 4-hour close, right? We weren't able to grab a position there. And to be honest, with the way that this is forming, yeah, I'm not too mad about that, to be honest. I'm not too mad. I'd rather wait. I'd rather wait for a clearer setup, clearer direction, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, you need a bigger top wick, especially because now you're tapping into a rejection area. You know, you've tapped into this area here, down here. You've also, you know, like we discussed, right? What did we say you might see? We said that you might see the daily make a small bottom wick, reflip, and continue to push up a little bit and grab more liquidity, because you do that quite often here. Now, I'm not saying that will happen, but again, you need stronger confirmations, and if that happens to be the 4-hour or the 1-hour, whatever it is, then we'll wait for that. I'm not too bothered. Again, Monday morning, chat, right? Think about it. You got Monday morning, Monday afternoon, Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, Friday morning, Friday afternoon. You got 9 more sessions that you can trade this week if we don't get a setup this session, which we still might. You know, so think about it that way. You got 9 more opportunities. Yeah, so there's a lot of potential, man. A lot of potential. Don't FOMO into something here when you don't need to. You know, take your time, wait for that setup to form, and once you get it, you'll be good. Only. What's good, Fazio? I have 4 positions from 93 with different stop loss. Hey, let's go, bro. Good stuff. No, 13 sessions. True. If you trade Asian, then true. You missed the top wick. It was that 30-minute wick after breaking previous lows. Bro. We didn't miss anything, man. We didn't miss anything. If we would have FOMO'd in there, we'd be in drawdown right now. So why would we do that? Yeah, I didn't miss anything. Is it okay to take the sell position and sell it in the 31st of July? You want to take a sell and hold it until then? Yeah, I mean, what's your strategy telling you? Why is it telling you want to do that? What's good, Charlie? Good morning, bro. So, chat. Now we've got 25 minutes to wait until the next 4-hour close. What you want to see on this 4-hour, though, is a different story. You want to see, to be honest, any closures around here. Ideally, I mean, you want to close below 87, right? But other than that, chat, you don't really need much. You need a closure, and you need a top wick, and then you're good, right? Unless obviously you retrace all the way back above 23.90. But I mean, hopefully you don't do that, right? I mean, it's a lot of time, so you could do, I guess. But now, all you want to see right now is a closure around this area here, top wick, and a flip, and then you'll be in there. It's very, very simple. Listen, look at the way the weekly looks. Look at the way this weekly looks. And you tell me you don't know whether it's buys or sells. Like, yeah, you want to see this push. But at the same time, it doesn't mean you can force an entry, right? It does not mean that at all. You're about to re-rate the lows here, though. Again, we broke the highs first. Oh, sorry, we broke the lows first before we came up, so I can't take that position, unfortunately. Yeah, 5 top wick first two. Stay patient, chat. If this 4-hour continues bearish, it's going to break every level and close at support. Yeah, we'll see, right? We'll see. You got room all the way down till at least, on the 4-hour, you got room till at least, to be honest, like 2360. I guess you have a level here too. More of a lower, higher low being made, but I suppose it's still a level at 2376. So that also gives you like what, 120 pips still. You training today? Yeah, bro, I'm gonna hit legs today. If you're a scalper, weekly, don't apply it, only daily. I disagree, bro. I disagree. But again, if it works for you, it works for you. What do you think drives the daily? The weekly, right? What do you think drives the weekly? The monthly? What do you think drives that? The yearly? Obviously, I'm not looking at the yearly and the monthly. Don't get me wrong. Well, we do look at the monthly, actually, to be honest. Especially at the beginning and the end of each month. But obviously, the yearly is a bit too much. But yeah, you understand that it's all linked, right? So you can look at the weekly to understand what the daily might do. Because yeah, if you looked at this daily right now, you'd say, oh shit, gold's bullish. Previous daily closed bullish and you're good to push up. You look at the weekly, bro, you're like, oh shit, okay, well, we closed in the range. And you grabbed the top wick and now you flipped. Now you're looking for sells. You know? So it's very dependent on every single time frame. And if you can, you know, if you can look at a time frame, why would you not? Why would you rule it out? Just more data for you. But chat, look, we saw the daily do exactly what we said it would, right? We said it'd come down a little bit, make a bottom wick, and then it'd come for a little bit more liquidity before re-breaking those lows. Once you re-break those daily lows, that should be the drive. But again, you need to see everything form correctly first. Yes, if you're intraday and holding it, but if you're in and out, I scalp like Raja, and I'm in and out to 10 to 20 pips. Yeah, so do we, bro. So do we. We scalp too. Although, chat, last Friday, we hit no, sorry, was it Thursday? Thursday, we hit a banger trade. We hit like 43 pip trade. It was nice. And then on Friday, what did we do? We finished off Friday with like, oh yeah, it was like 12 pips or something. Still a win, but you know what I mean? Uh-oh, I just made 30 pips and you guys are still waiting for a trade. Congrats, bro. Congrats. What do you want me to say? Do you want me to get angry at that? He's like, no. No, you got 30 pips and we're still waiting. Bro. Congrats. Thinks he's him. He might be him. Homo buys now. Right now. Yeah, let's get in and get those pips. Point stands, chat. If we would have taken that trade, we'd be in fat drawdown right now, and then everyone would be going, "Why did you take that trade?" So you know, you can't please everyone. Can't please everyone, man. Yeah, like, listen, if my and that is the exact Instagram reel that I put. Ooh, a little boing sound effect there, keeping us all on our toes, right? Yeah, but chat, that's the exact Instagram reel that I posted yesterday, right? Telling people to stick to their plan this week. Because if the trade setup doesn't form, why didn't you take this trade because this or that? If it's not perfect, I'm not taking it. And if it's not perfect, there's a reason why it's not perfect. There's a reason why we think that we shouldn't get in, you know, reversal, potentials and all that sort of stuff. We'll just wait for the perfect setup, stay patient, make sure you're disciplined. That's all you can do. You can control the controllables, but that's about it. But a lot of people say, like, why didn't you take this trade because this... See? Exactly that, man. Why didn't you take the trade? I remember taking that clip. Yeah, Spion, you've been clutching up recently. I've been getting all your clips clipped by my editor, and then yeah, they've been pumping them out, which is great. So thank you, brother. You really are helping out. It's huge, 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 huge. But yeah, somewhat. I just got that. What that emoji was, some waffle. Yeah, man. Chat. Let's see. So you got 18 minutes here to this 4-hour close. 18 minutes. Give me 2 seconds, yeah, I'll be back in literally 2 secs. Yeah, and we'll see what this 4-hour close does. Wow. Okay, so we're back. Why didn't we take those sells? I wish we sold the bottom. Wish we would have sold down here, man. But I've never done that face before in my life. I've got no clue what that is. But yeah, chat, listen. 4-hour close coming soon. 15-minute closure in a minute's time. Yeah, let's see. Crazy. My guy did the 8 equals D strategy. I respect that. I actually respect that. I can't lie. That's the old MSN strat right there. What's good, Zare? How you doing, brother? What's good? What's good? Yeah, so this hourly is coming towards a flip here. I'm not saying it will, but you are coming towards that. You do need to close below, and you need to sort of close strong bearish, in my opinion. Otherwise, you might see some further rejections here, right? You might start to see, you know, us begin to make sort of at least a lower high. at least a lower high before you do anything else. But yeah, we'll wait and see here, because obviously we've pushed down quite far now. You've sort of started to reject quite strongly. Oh, previous 5 had no top wick though, but it didn't respect that. Interesting. Did not respect the previous 5 no top wick. Yeah, that's kind of interesting, I can't lie. What's good, Green? How you doing, my boy? The crazy emoji to send in. Not the glasses and mustache disguise. Bro, I love that. That's so much. It makes me laugh. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Yeah. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the stream so far. You guys have been killing it. I'm not gonna lie. You've been absolutely killing it recently. Support's been insane. We're growing still. Even though we have this shadow ban, we've still been growing. Yeah, man. We've still been growing. So that's nice to see. Absolutely nice to see. Legend. What's good, VF, bro? What's good? Bro, it's 2024. What you mean, my boy? At the gym. Let's go, man. Guys getting knowledge and getting that physical gains in as well. Huge. My bro, how you doing? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. I'm looking forward to getting to the gym too today. I can't lie. I'm gonna go after stream, hit some legs. Chat, I went yesterday late at night to the gym, but I had the craziest headache. I don't know why. The craziest headache. But yeah, I couldn't really train much, to be honest. But I just went through the motions, like actually did the moves. You know, like actually just got some movement in rather than just sitting still. And it felt okay, to be honest, but head was banging. Constantly thinking about trading, man. Yeah, that's the trader's curse right there. I can't lie. The trader's curse. So chat, the 15-minute opened here. You grabbed the top wick first, actually, and now it started to flip. So the question is, after tapping into this support level here, are you going to start to reflip, or are you going to start to reject? I don't know just yet. There's nothing that's telling me just yet that this is a rejection. Obviously, this 15 could just flip and re-break its highs and continue. Don't forget to work out your third leg, bro. Yeah, I had to take a rest on that. It was getting too big, you know. Crazy. I don't even know. Just bought my first 10k challenge on FTMO. Been trading seriously for 11 months. What's your best advice for me? Best advice, bro. Take it slow. Take it slow and steady, man. Drop your risk at the start, bro. Trade with, I don't know what strategy you trade, to be honest, but if you trade our strategy, trade 0.5% risk until you get a little bit of a buffer, and then you can pump it up to 1% risk, and just take your time, bro. Like, you don't have any time limits, you don't have anything that you need to rush for. So yeah, I trade ICT/orderblock. Kind of okay. Well, maybe if your win rate's a little bit lower but your RR is higher, then you need to drop the risk a little bit more. I'm not sure, to be honest. I know a lot of ICT guys trade like 0.25% risk, but I'm not sure. And yeah, if you take one loss on that account, then you're done on that account for the day, right? You can't take any more trades on that account. So you don't want to do anything too, you know, you don't want to do anything that's like stupid, right? And take 2 losses, 3 losses a day. It's not worth it. Cool. Can you muscle up, bro? Bro, I used to be able to muscle up. Now I'm stronger, but I'm heavier too, so I can't muscle up. Like, and I haven't done it in a while, to be honest, but I used to be able to. I should start training it again, to be honest, but the gym I go to, they don't really have a good enough bar to be able to do it. You know? Yeah. But now muscle ups are cool as fuck. You know what I was trying to do the other day as well? I was trying to learn how to do like a planche. A hanging planche thing. I don't know how you call it, but basically where you hang off the bar and then like your body's completely straight. Muscle ups are just candle flips, eh? Bro, yeah, that's true actually, I can't lie. Just grab some liquidity and then flip. Yeah, that's a good point. A good point. What are we looking for today? I'm looking for sales, bro, but I'm just waiting for these candles to close right now. Waiting for some closures here. What's good there, La Leche? How you doing? How are you doing? Muscle ups are hard, man. Just tried. Yeah, bro's on stream listening to us talk about muscle ups, and he's like, you know what? I gotta try one. Go try one. I respect that. I respect that. Good shit. But yeah, chat. I was good, Don. Good morning, bro. How are you this Monday? I'm very good. I'm very good. How are you? Chat, 10 minutes left of this 4-hour close. So it's vital to see where we need to close here. You need to just close, in my opinion, below 2390, 2391 probably. Anywhere below there, you should be good to continue downwards, right? At least to fill the wick. But you want to see a top wick on this open, right? Otherwise, not ideal. But yeah. Chat, we're literally crazy. We're 8 subs off 3.8k. We're getting close to that 4k mark. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Sell side is in control. Bro. GJ sells thoughts. I don't trade GJ, brother, so I can't really take a look at it for you. Yeah, I can't take a look at GJ because I just don't trade it, so I don't know how it moves or anything. You need to understand how each pair moves and how it reacts to certain areas and how it respects levels before you can, you know, before I can give you my thoughts on that. And to be honest, I can only do that really with gold because it's that's the pair that I trade the most, you know. It's the one that I'm like constantly trading, so yeah. But let's see here. I'd love to see a nice strong bearish closure on the 4 and the 1. Something like this. Realistically, the 1 below 38.9 would be, or sorry, yeah, 389 would be great, the best. But until we get that, we need to see. 8 minutes to the closure here though, chat, so time to start locking it in a little bit. Time to focus up. Love the vibes here, man, of course. Hey, let's go, bro. I appreciate that, brother. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm glad that you enjoy the vibes, man. Yeah, it's interesting how he's just, you know, suddenly stopped getting pushed on people's pages. It's very strange, but why you shadow ban, bro? I don't know, bro. I don't know if I actually am, but I'm 98% sure. I got no clue why, bro. No clue. But yeah, we went from getting like 250 viewers a day to like 60 now. So it must be something to do with that. Either that or it's just a view glitch, but again, I'm not sure. We shall see, right? You aren't? Bro, people have been telling me I am, and some people have been telling me I'm not. Too many viewers, it's just glitched out. Yeah, bro, I feel like it's glitched out, because I feel like there's way more than 60 people in here now. Like, look at the amount of people in chat. Somehow that's why, maybe. We still working, that's why while they party? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Again, chat, it doesn't really matter. As long as people pull up and you get some value out of it, and, you know, you enjoy the streams and have fun, and it helps your trading journey, then that's all I care about. I'm still going to be here, so that's all that matters. Literally all that matters. You pop up on my feed? Okay, that's good to hear. A lot of people have been saying that I don't. Some people even said that when they search me, I don't even turn up anymore, which is weird. You and I both. Yes, sir, Mr. Green. Yes, sir. Love that. Love that. A lot of time for that. I've got a lot of time for that. Must have said something YouTube doesn't like. Maybe. I don't think so though. Maybe because we started talking about the Matrix a lot. Seen some of your videos, bro. Good content. First time at the live stream though. Hey, I appreciate that. Appreciate that, brother. Keep it up. Yeah, I will do, bro. Consistency is key, right? That's what we're working on here. If you did a live stream in a hot tub with a red thong, you'll get crazy. Crazy. Yeah, that might have to be off limits. Although speaking of that, I can't lie. In the Greece video, I did a little section in the hot tub talking to you guys, and that's going to be out today. So you're kind of on the money. I can't lie. Kind of on the money. That's funny, bro. Onion incoming. Bullish onion or what? Or 15-minute onion sell. You got 4 minutes this 4-hour close. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, to be honest, I'd like it to push a little bit further down if we could. I'd like to see if we could maybe push down to, I don't know, around the 88 area for the close. I know that's a big ask. And we're most likely just going to continue to push up, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You about to break that previous 1 hour high? Nah. Interesting. This music's sexy. Yeah, a little bit of jazz, my friend. A little bit of jazz in the morning to keep you chilled out. Bit of entertainment. I don't know. I like it, man. Yeah, we love it. New 4-hour candle too. Yeah, exactly that. That's what we're waiting for right now. Music reminds me of making love crazy. Always have memories of him and his pillow. Yeah, my bad, bro. I didn't mean to fire shots like that. I'm just playing, brother. I'm just playing. It's all love around here. Alright, man. Chat. So you got 2 minutes here. Let's see what happens. 4-hour close. To be honest, it's a decent 4-hour close. Fam, you look like Harry Potter. Nah, bro. I don't think so. I don't think so, can't lie. Although, chat, I got new blinds over the weekend, right? We had new blinds put in. Bro, it's not blocking out any of the lights. And I have like studio lights here, but now these blinds aren't blocking out my external light, which is a bit shit, to be honest, but we move. We move, right? Yeah, but anyway, looking at the 4-hour quickly, what do I want to see? Let's focus up real quick. Let's focus up. 4-hour close, you want to see below this area here at 23.91. As long as you're below there, you should be good to get some sales to continue down. Again, you want to see that wick fill at least. So that's what we'll be looking for here. As long as you close below there, should be good. Especially on the 1-2, you'd rather see us below 23.90. But a bit of a weak closure, to be honest. We've rejected quite heavily, which I don't really like. Yeah. So you Cartiers, I'm a certified Cartier dealer in Canada. Bro, hook me up. Hook me up. I'm interested. I do like the Cartiers, to be honest. I've got the Cartier bracelet, so the glasses to match would be fire. But yeah, chat, essentially that's all I'm looking for right now on the 4 is this closure below. I think as long as you see this closure, you get a top wick and a flip. you're good for at least the wick fill, right? You're good for at least that wick fill down until, well, I don't know if you're going to tap it, but that you've got room down till 23.81. My IG's just trend lines, bro. At trend lines. Thank you, brother. And yeah, that's all we'll look to see right now is this 4 hour close below. Let's see how we close here. I'm going to look on my broker. Let's see if we can get that close and that top wick. Are we going to close with the 1 hour level 2 or not? Or maybe. I'm going to put another line here just in case. But this is just for the 1 hour level. As long as you close below the 4 hour level, you should be good. Okay, so you closed here. What do you do? Top wick first. Okay. Delete this here. So you want to see a top wick now, chat. So I would say at least, to be honest, you want to see it around 23.94. Somewhere around there would be ideal. Might be a bit optimistic, but we'll see. What stops look like here? Yeah, okay, let's say, let me just look here. Where can we look for a top wick to? Just check. $23.92, $23.93. Yeah, around this area would be ideal. 23.92.9. So 23.93-ish. Ideal for a top wick for us. See if we can go and grab that. If not, then we'll probably have to wait and see. But if we can end up getting a top wick there, that'd be good. And then we'll look at the smaller time frames to see if we can potentially grab any wick entries. But at the minute, with the way that the 1 hour closed, a wick entry doesn't look the best, if I'm honest. Doesn't look the best. Lock it in here though, man. Lock it in. Let's see what we can do here, chat. Bro, I was so behind the live. Bro, I bet, bro. So funny when that happens. Wick entry maybe around 23.95. Yeah, 23.94-ish is even fine for me, to be honest. You need to come at some point. You need to come and grab a bottom wick for this candle anyway. But I think now that you've come up and tapped 23.92, yeah, let me see here. Let me see. What's smoking? Oh yeah, mad. Yeah. Good shit, Crypto Maniac. Mod on patrol right there. Message you on IG. Yeah, okay, bro. Cool. I'll check it after stream. Yeah, you're pushing up here still. It's nice. Very, very nice. You could break this previous 1 hour high. That's even better. Even better, right? How big is this wick there? 20 pips. Wick fill gives you 30 pips. Yeah, okay, chat. So I'm gonna have a sell stop on the flip of this 4 hour candle. If we start to push up further, we can start looking at wick entries in a bit. But until then, I've got a sell stop on the flip of this 4 hour candle here, based on the closure below 23.91, and then yeah, us coming up first with the top wick and grabbing some liquidity. So that's where my sell stop is placed. And yeah, obviously not activated yet, chat. Not in this trade just as of yet, but that's going to be the position. Stops are going to be probably above this previous 4 hour high here. And take profit is going to be down here at the bottom of this range at 82. Yeah, 23.82. That gives you an 80 pip range to fill. Stops at 65 pips. They could even be a little bit lower. Yeah, 65 pips. So let's see what happens. See what happens for this 5 close too. Got a 5-minute closure here in about 10 seconds. No alert on signals. Oh, okay. Alright, well they must be fucked then. That's good. I need to fix that. Okay, wait, let me fix that real quick. I'll just send it in manually for now, but later I'll fix it. Yeah, so sell stop on the flip of 4-hour candle. Good stuff. That's what we're looking at right now, chat. Shit, someone told the Telegram or what? There's like so many more people in here now. Good stuff. It's mint, brother. Patience, players. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. This 5-minute might flip here, and you might start to come up a little bit further, but I think you could be all right. Let's see. You're about 17 pips, 17 pips away from being activated here. But again, right, you've got this wick fill. I mean, technically you close respecting this level on the 1, but I'm not too bothered about that because the 4-hour closure sort of takes precedence. And let's see, chat. Let's see. Count for any spread on sells. You don't really need to on sells, nah. Because with sells, there's no like spread downwards. Spread's only upwards. So my stop is exactly at let me see here. 2390.3. So it's like it's actually even a little bit higher than I've got on the chart. Like right there. You should be good to come down if you start to yeah, if you start to get some closures here on the 5. Should be good to continue down here. Okay, we're coming close to getting activated here. We're about 10 pips away. So, oh, bit of a rejection there, chat. But that's good. That means the volume's picking up at least, as a minimum. The volume's starting to pick up, which is great. And yeah, chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. I appreciate you guys for being here. Let's see if we can wish ourselves some luck with this trade. If we try and get to 100 likes, I'm sure the trade's more likely to hit take profit. That's what I've heard. What's good, Razor? How you doing, brother? What's good? What's good? Yeah, good morning, bro. Okay, so you're starting to reject a little bit on this 5. If you see this 5 flip, you're probably going to come up a little bit higher to grab some more liquidity. But again, you want to sort of see us push down and flip before you sort of make those overall, you know, those closures with a higher time frame. Where he's getting his info from the spirits. What do you mean? We have the same trade. Good luck, G. Good shit, Alpha. Good stuff, man. My buy stop was on 2391.7. Buy stop? Okay, bro. Fair enough. That's your play. That's your play. Chat, I'm going to be back in 2 secs, yeah? Literally 2 secs. We've got 1 minute to this 5-minute closure. I'll be back by then, hopefully. Okay, we're back. We're back. We came close to getting activated there. We didn't actually get activated, but we came close. So, I mean, that's a good sign, right? You're starting to push down. You got a 5-minute closure here. You respected the level. Started to form some lower highs being made again. As always, you're starting to consistently see these lower highs being made. So, not too bad. If this 5 can now flip down from here, you should start to see us, well, we should get activated, to be honest. But yeah, nothing that I can sort of take yet just as an entry. Nothing just yet, other than obviously the flipperoonie that we've got right here. So we're gonna have to wait and see on that one. But obviously, yeah, man, let's see how that goes. They'll stop not activated, chat, just in case anyone's asking. Whoa. Okay, you're pushing back up here. Did you re-break the highs? No. Now you did. Crazy. So chat, if this 5-minute flips here. What's good, Noodle Holtz? How you doing, brother? Just finished your exam. How was it? How was it? Yeah, so chat, if this 5-minute flips here, you should see us get activated. Obviously, we understand this is a 4-hour play, right? So, you know, it's based off the 4-hour. The 5-minute doesn't play too much of an impact, and nor does the 15. But once you start to see like a 30 closure, etc., then you sort of need to start, you know, start thinking about how you can, whether you should, sorry, turn off that trade or not, whether you should delete those buy stops. Okay, this 5's coming towards a flip here. It was alright. Alright, fair enough. Your 4-hour and my 4-hour look different on TradingView. I'm confused. What broker are you using, bro? Like, what TradingView chart are you on? Because it depends on obviously what broker time frame they have and everything like that. You know what I mean? It might just be that, you know, your broker is probably an hour ahead or behind. What's good, Neo? How you doing, brother? I do not. I'm just watching it along with you. No, I mean, like, in the top corner, obviously each chart is from a different broker. So you're probably on a different broker's chart. You might be on Oanda, you might be on Forex.com, you might be on anything. You might even be on gold futures, right? And then it's obviously going to be different. I'm away with friends this week, so not going to be on stream a lot. Might hop in occasionally. Yeah, all good, Neo. Go have some fun, my boy. No stress about that at all. Wait, actually, I want to see if I can just do this quick. Fix this bot. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know, man. Let me try and see if this works. Did that send to the Discord? No, it didn't. Okay. I'll fix that later. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Are you secretly stacking? Stacking what, bro? I'm not in yet. I'm not in. I was thinking of taking a 5-minute onion to come down towards the flip, but the wick fill is too small. Yeah, you got to be careful of those too, because sometimes it just won't respect. Like this 5-minute here. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that, man. Don't, you know, I understand like it's tempting to get a bit of a better entry, but it's literally like 7 pips better. So you're, you know, in a better position if you wait for the confirmation of that flip, rather than, you know, trying to get just a bit of a better entry. Because all we know, this 4-hour might not flip ever. You know, and if you try and get in too early, then, you know, it can end up not being the best. But yeah. I would recommend for an account with $100, take it slow, focus on the learning. Don't focus on trying to flip $100. You know, focus on actually, you know, perfecting the skill. Risk like 2 to 3% per trade, and then get a job or another income that's going to fund that. You know, it's going to fund that sort of account progression for you. Okay, so until you obviously, you're not going to flip $100 into 100k, right? It just doesn't happen. All these traders that you see do it, it's 90% of them, 99% of them are using marketing accounts with brokers. So yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about that. Just focus on the skill, focus on, you know, becoming profitable, and then once you are profitable, you can use either prop firms or extra income to stack your account, and then that's when you start making the money. W stream, bro. I gotta go. Yeah, see you in a bit, Zatar. See you in a bit, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till this 30-minute close. See if we don't get anything by this, or if it doesn't flip by the end of this 30-minute, might look to delete just based off the fact that I think we're probably gonna end up. I don't want to see us make higher highs, right? If you start to close above on the 15, above this high here, and on the 32 above this high here, that's gonna be an indication that your structure is sort of shifted, and I don't really want to see that too much. So if that happens, we'll look to delete. Okay. But yeah, again, wait and see here. Monday, no risk, chat. Yeah, no, well, not, yeah, not no risk, but definitely no, like, unnecessary risk, 100%. The 1 hour from last Tuesday bounced off this level with, yeah, I know, bro. I've seen that, Matt. I've seen that. But again, my opinion here is that the 4 hour was going to take precedence over that. But I did see that bounce off of it without a bottom wick. Which is something I'm, you know, taking into account for sure. %. But chat, I do believe at some point you need to come down and make a bottom wick for this 4 hour candle, right? It doesn't make sense for you to not. Even if it's a tiny one, you should make a you know, should make a bottom wick for that. But the 4 hour is just a 1 hour and a higher time frame. Yeah, but it's a higher confirmation, right? And the 4 hour levels are different to the 1 hour levels, right? You know what I mean? Yeah, I'd expect someone on the 4 because that bounce was mid 4 hour candle not open. Yeah, exactly. That's the thought process behind this trade too. But you want to see it respect these highs now. You don't want to see it start to break this high here. Otherwise, again, your market structure shifted, and yeah, it's not the best thing to happen. So once you start to see that being respected, that's ideal. 5 minutes, come up, grab the top wick and flipped with like 40 seconds left. Interesting. Or is that just a 1 minute bottom wick? It might be. Who knows? Or some genius ideas you had as a beginner that were actually dumb. Trying to get a better entry than than it tells you is one of them. It's like one of the main things that people used to try and do, including me. That was not a good idea. Like, for example, yeah, like for example here, right? If you think, oh, this candle's gonna flip, I may as well just enter now, and then I'll already be in profit by the time it flips. Yeah, maybe it works out sometimes, but a lot of the times it just doesn't flip, and then you get wrecked. So that's one thing. Over risking, I guess, is another one. Impulsing, lots of stuff. There's lots of silly ideas in this game. You want to see this 15 close decently strong bearish, otherwise we'll probably delete chat. Again, you want, like I said, you want to see it respect this high. But yeah, chat, so even if we don't get this sell stop here, we're streaming every single day this week at 8 AM UK time, right? 8 AM BST. So make sure you pull up to every single stream. There's going to be a lot of potential this week. I guarantee it. Okay, it's a big week in terms of news, in terms of volatility, in terms of everything, to be honest. So yeah, make sure you drop a subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like as well. And yeah, Greece video will be coming out this, well, straight after stream hopefully. And then yeah, after that, just going to be value non-stop. Bro, someone in the Discord yesterday was saying, like, this Discord's all about paid services and that. I was like, bro, there's no paid services apart from one group. Like, the group obviously is paid. The rest of the Discord is free. So, yeah, man. Like, there's no other communities that give as much for free as we do, right? Free journal, free calls every week. Loads of stuff, like, you know, free course. It's insane. I'm glad to provide that. Like, I'm happy. It's not even something that I'm saying like, oh, I do this and you should be, you know, I don't know, you should be grateful for it or whatever. It's not like that. It's just I'm very proud of being able to provide that, and I hope it helps you guys. I saw a dump on the start of London once, and I asked someone what that was, and they told me it happens every time London opens, and I thought, why don't people just take the London Open? Got liquidated the next day. Crazy. Yeah, not ideal, bro. Not ideal. What does that mean, Mr. Aegon? Aegon? All men must serve. Oh, that's cool. Is it Game of Thrones? Ah. Okay. I was going to say that the language seemed like Game of Thrones-y. Subs. Hey Trent, can you explain why you got the support level at 23.91, please? What are your references? Yeah, so this is the 4-hour level, just because we had the 4-hour close, right? So the 4-hour level, obviously, once you have the 4-hour close, you can base your levels off the 4 hours. So it's essentially based off of this candle here, 23.91, and how every time we've closed below there in the past, you've proceeded to rip down. So that's my level. There's also another one up here at 23.92, but we obviously closed below there. So yeah, again, just based off that 4-hour. I understand the 1 hour is probably not the best on that level. The 1 hour you probably close respecting on the one, but the idea of this trade, even though we're not activated yet, is based off of that 4-hour candle. Good Nav, how you doing, brother? Cool. It's good. Not trend lines. How you doing, bro? How you doing, man? Yeah, so you got a 5-minute close here in 20 seconds. Hopefully you're respecting that high, and you can continue to come down. Obviously the bullish momentum seems to have died off a little bit. Now that I say that, it's going to rip up, isn't it? But you know, Point stands. You've got 5 minutes now till this 30-minute closure. Again, that's going to be an important closure. Like we said, we really want to see this 15-minute close bearish. Sorry, my bad. Just got a mad text. Cool. I gotta go. Thank you, SG, for the stream. Have a nice day, guys. Yeah, in a bit, Malenko. Cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. But yeah, we might be deleting off this 30-minute closure here. Just depends on what happens. But you're looking to respect here on the 5. So maybe if this 5 flips, you're going to start to see a closure down here. Guys, leave a like or you'll be crazy. Crazy. Appreciate you, Malenko. Good stuff. Yeah, so we're literally, I mean, we're sat around like 20 pips off being activated. It looks like a lot more, but it's not. But yeah, this 5 minutes is going to tell us everything we need to know pretty much. So after that close, we'll see what happens, and then that's it. But listen, like we said, right, it's the very beginning of the week. Time to stay patient, and yeah, exercise your discipline from the very beginning of the week, and that way it's way easier to stay on track, right? I said this in one of my reels as well, but if you start the week by staying on track, it's way easier to finish the week on track. You don't want to have to get back and stick to your plan after breaking it. You know, it's way harder to do that. So just start from the beginning in the right way. And yeah. What's your goal regarding trading? Will you be a trader after 10 years? I don't know whether I'll still be a trader. I think I probably will. I don't think you ever really stop being a trader. I think, to be honest, just the goal in everything is scale up, and just continue to refine the skills, continue to become a better trader every single day. And yeah, that's what everyone's goal should be, right? I have specific goals in terms of money, but not money, but in terms of, like, you know, capital and, you know, I suppose, yeah, income. But I'm not going to share those goals with you guys. I think that's a bit personal. I hit some of my goals already this year, so I need to make some bigger goals. And yeah, I think it's really important to have high aspirations. Forex will end better. Insane. Okay, so you're pushing down here again on this 5 minute. Really like to see this 15 close. Yeah, strong bearish like this. Even below the level would be ideal. Anyone got £10 for me? Crazy. Insane, right? So we're about 10 pips away from being activated here, chat. Again, listen, if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I do think you should be good to push down, to be honest, once this candle flips. Oh, you got 1 minute and 30 seconds left of the 30-minute close. Interesting. Volume's picking up too as well, which is nice. Obviously, you need a lot of volume to be in this position. The higher the volume, the better. We can continue to push with a lot of volume, then obviously you're going to get out of the trade faster. But yeah, bit of a rejection here though. Volume's dying off. What if 30 closes above? To be honest, this isn't really the 30 level. This was the 4-hour level still. So I'm just looking at market structure based on where this 30 is closing. So obviously, it's actually more based on the 15, right? If you close bullish here, you look like you might do actually. Wow. After pushing down that late. Interesting. essentially I'm just looking at whether or not we're creating another high. And at the minute, if you close like this, then yeah, you're going to be creating that next high. In terms of market structure, right, you've started to come down, you're making lower highs, lower lows. And then now once you close here, you're going to create a higher high. And then you don't want to get caught in that being the low. And then, yeah, you don't want to get caught in that market structure shift. So for me, I think we might end up deleting here. 15 minutes. That just closed with no top wick on the 5. Oh my days, it did. That's interesting. That is interesting. Everyone in the group knows what I'm talking about right now, but wow. Insane. I'm gonna leave this stop on for a second right now, based off the fact that 5 minute just closed, no top wick there. Crazy, yeah. That would have been the move. Here with my daily, like, got screwed up too with fakeouts today earlier. Managed to get out at B, to be honest. Yeah, good stuff. Gold's been naughty this morning. It's been interesting for sure. Been interesting, to say the least. $15 has a top weight. Yeah, no, I know the 15 does. I know. How much percentage are you closing this month? That's a good question, actually. I don't know. I actually don't know the answer to that one. I'll have to look it up. I know last week we did... What did I do last week? 4% last week or something, like 3% last week. It was a great week. I don't know what we're closing for the month, to be honest. I'd have to look it up, bro. We did take a loss though, so it might be closer to BE than that, to be honest. Yeah, chat. So 92 of you in here right now. Appreciate that very, very much. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of education here, a lot of value, and yeah, so many giveaways too, man. Like, we've given away 5 accounts already in the past month, and there's 3 more coming this week. So make sure you subscribe. It's definitely worth it. And yeah, we'll wait for this. I want to wait for this next 5 closure, see what happens, because I'm interested after that no top wick. Can I have 1 giveaway, please? Maybe. If you ask me nicely. Insane. Keep thinking you're in drawdown. We're not in drawdown, chat. We're not activated yet. We're not activated yet. Don't you stress. That looks better if I put it like this, right? And then it looks like we're not in drawdown. I'll do that. Maybe that's why the viewers spike, because we got in drawdown here. Or no, because it looks like we're in drawdown. Don't make me call you later when you're asleep. Crazy. Please no, Mr. Fazo. Yeah, man. But no, I'm super excited for this week. Truly, truly, truly. I Click Alt and I. I'm not going to click any combination of buttons. I know what you guys are like. You'll tell me to click some mad stuff. Oh, is that not the inverse one? I'm scared to click it. Yeah, it is. It's crazy, right? It makes it look like a buy stop, yeah. Whoa. Has anyone told you that you have superior genes and you have 150 IQ? I'm kissing your ass to win the funded. Yeah. Well, you ruined it by saying that bit at the end there, I can't lie. Appreciate you, my boy. You're pushing down here. Very interesting. No monthly flip, that's sad. Ah, you don't know yet, bro. It's still possible. Still very, very possible. Okay, chat. Listen. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna delete the sell stop here, bro. Oh, bro. Chat. Deleting our sell stops right now. Based off of this 30 closure above and a flip now. I think yeah. I'm not the biggest fan of that. So deleted right there. Let me just tell the signals. I forgot I need to type this out. Delete sell stop. Okay, perfect. Chat, that's going to be it for the stream today. I don't think, to be honest, you might flip here, but at the same point, I'm not too bothered about it. I think we need to, we need to understand that if it wanted to flip and drive right now, it probably would have done that. You're starting to create a range. You got a 5-minute range here. You don't want to drop below that range, get activated, and then close back in that range. So for that reason, yeah, we'll delete the sell stop. We didn't actually manage to get that entry there, but W anyway, W discipline, W, patience. If we would have FOMO'd into that first trade down at the bottom here, you would have been in fat drawdown right now for absolutely no reason. So because of that, that's going to be it from me, chat. That's going to be it. Hopefully you guys had a good session. We'll play some pixel letters and we'll call it a day, man. We'll call it a day. But yeah, that's going to be it for my Monday. And that's about it. That is about it. W discipline. Is this shit gonna flip right now? Oh no! Oh no! You're flipping. I'm playing. Alright. Yeah, in a bit, Fazo. See you in a bit. We should get a pixel letter sponsor. Yeah, trust me, we should. What's good, Cardinal? How you doing, bro? Now it's about to flip. Yeah, but even if it flips now, we don't really want it, to be honest. I'm just going to get the pixel letter in 1, though, real quick, just so you guys know who's boss. Don't mind me, though. I'm going to do that real quick. While I was talking as well, that was like, yeah. I was in, let's go for the same word again, why not? Oh, chat, I thought that was it. I thought I had it again. What's good, J Deep? How you doing, bro? I'm good, bro. Got my UEFA B coach. Hey, let's go. Good shit, man. Good shit. I remember you saying you were trying to go for that. Huge. Bro's gonna be managing fucking Inter Miami soon. Gonna see him managing Big Messi in a bit. Telling him where to go. Like, oi, you stand there. Alright, chat. Final one. Oh. Yeah, we're crushing it today, I can't lie. Your age? I'm 23. I'm 23. Nah, we get these pips and... Yeah, true. We got to get these pips and then buy a team. That's true, my boy. That's true. I like your thinking. You're thinking bigger than me. That's good. Blood. Could be blood. Bloom. Oh, chat. Yeah, it's got to be bloop, surely. It's got to be bloop. Alright, it could be bloom. Could be... What else could it be? Whoa, whoa. You only have to ask a question once, my friend. There's no where are you from, where are you from, where are you from, where are you from, where are you from. Just ask it one time and then I'll answer it. I'm from the UK. That sounded like I was celebrating, but there you are. Yeah, man. Shouting I'm from the UK as a celebration. Chat, that's gonna be it from me today, man. I hope you guys had a great stream today. I hope you got some value out of it. I hope you got some great education. And yeah, that's the most important thing, to be honest. As long as you learned something today, as long as you had a great day, then I'm more than happy. And yeah, I'm gonna go hit the gym now. Hopefully you guys are gonna have a great rest of your day. If you're trading in New York, be responsible, trade appropriately, all of that good stuff. And other than that, guys, peace out. I'll see you in the next one. What kind of music do you guys want? Do something. Man, fuck it. Oh wait, Jai, I like the sound of that. No. I'll stick this on.